Welcome on board, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Alex, your on-board art auctioneer, all the way from Belarus, and I'd like to invite you to join me and my team in the most exciting, entertaining, and educational event happening in the 70s. And yes, I'm talking about the Champagne Art Auction. Over 200 artworks on display, free champagne. Everybody is receiving a free water glass just for attending, and we'll also be announcing our guest away competition week. And by the way, I'm here in the art gallery, one of the nicest places on board, located on deck 5 between the Pacifica Theater and the photo gallery. And we have an amazing collection here, and every time we have something new for you. We have such artists as Brilliance, Romero Brito. We have some amazing sculptures. We do rotate our gallery every single day, so make sure you join me and my team. And we have so many different things prepared for you this cruise, including art seminars. So make sure you check your daily program and your Royal app for time and location. See you all around the ship.
All right, thank you so much. Now, folks, our dress code for the evening is casual, and our photo team, as a matter of fact, are offering up a wonderful promotion for you as well. It's called the Early Bird Special. You can still purchase a photo package and receive 20% off. Now, this offer is good today and tomorrow, and the photo gallery is located at deck number 5, forward of the ship. If you're coming from the central into the house, you'll reach the photo gallery, and then the art gallery is the there's 3 locations on deck 5, so make sure you stop by. For mentioning this because you've just joined us today. However, there's so many reasons to stop by, see our friends at Next Cruise, and book your next adventure. If you do, though, by day 5, the end of day 5, book your next cruise,